Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove friends on Snapchat easily. If you want to clean up your friend list or remove someone you no longer want to stay connected with, this quick guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left of the screen. Once your profile opens up, scroll down a bit and tap on My Friends to view your entire friend list. In your friend list, scroll through and find the friend you want to delete. Once you find them, press and hold on their name. A menu will pop up with different options. Select Manage Friendship. Then, tap on Remove Friend from the options that appear. Snapchat will ask you to confirm if you really want to remove this person. Simply tap Remove to confirm, and that's it. The person will no longer be on your friend list. And that's how easy it is to delete friends on Snapchat. If you found this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Snapchat tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.